Hi everyone, I'll be showing you how to set up your journaler file. So just once again, let's log into Journaler. Didn't, but I don't know my email. I'm currently on the Pro profile. I could have been on any other one. I'm still on my free trial. And these are the default settings we currently have. Just so you know, as we work on improvements and more options, the section will be expanding and we'll give you new updated videos when there are more cool and useful settings in here. This is the standard stuff, notifications. You can choose to receive them, and also language by default is English. We don't yet have different languages. We will in the near future. You can set up your 2FA. We encourage you to do that the best way. I personally like the email. You can try the Google Authenticator as well. I won't get into the details of that. It should work quite fine. But this is the important one. So you may want to have all your details here. Let's say I want to update. Okay. Business address. Again. Okay, that's updated. And then country. So these are actually some of the defaults. They are quite important for you if you're using our tax calculator feature. I want to be in Australia. My default currency is AUD. We give you a range of currencies already. And you can see that covers just about everything that's out there. And my default tax rate is, well, let's say business tax rate. That's the indicator is the 27th. Now you can set up your financial year settings. So normally July 1st is when your financial year starts, and you go save, and that carries this here. Now this is important bit here. Your subscription, you're on the Pro, I'm on a free trial. You can choose to change plan or unsubscribe, but if you unsubscribe, then your free trial won't come back and you're active. We let you know how long that lasts, and that's really it. So make sure you set up your settings mainly for your tax features, and in terms of your business details, well, let's generate invoices for you in a way that marry up with your account. And once again, 2FA is very important, as you know. But just so you know, at AEM, given the nature of the product, there isn't much information that we retain other than your transactional data that you feed into your files, and that stays with you. If you choose to close your account, again, another important reminder, if you were to close your profile, eventually that data will be erased. So just think twice about canceling a subscription, especially if you've done a lot of uploads specifically to your manual wallets, which are the exchange wallets that we import through files, because there could be a lot of data you did put in there, and you don't want to lose that. For blockchain wallets, well, again, syncing can be time consuming. So again, better to keep the account live and well managed. And that's pretty much it. So thanks for listening, and see you next time.